What's up, everyone? Today I'm doing a little update, mainly on the Mustang, but a little update just in general. Getting everything ready for the track. Test and tune tomorrow. As long as I get off work in time, I should. But first things first, on the Mustang, got it lifted up because I'm doing some work on the rear differential. Got a good present in there. And then I went ahead, and here is my shorty antenna that I bought and did an install video on the truck. I went ahead and took it off the truck and put it on here. So I'm going to go and show you the one that was on the Mustang that I put on the truck. It's pretty funny, I must say. Here it is. It's pretty long, that's why I put it on a truck instead of the Mustang. It looked goofy on the Mustang. And I went ahead and painted it white to have it match the truck. I don't really like the way it looks, but hey, it's something different, whatever. And I'm going to get another shorty one for the truck. Probably not as short as the one I have on the Mustang. I'll probably get a little longer, or maybe I'll just get a new one for the Mustang, I don't know yet, and put that one back on the truck. Alright, before I get on with the rest of this video, I gotta get all my stuff ready. Got the air compressor, got some tools, some duct tape, electrical tape, zip ties for the track tomorrow. Tomorrow's test and tune at Bradenton Motorsports Park. So me and my buddy that has an S550 is gonna go. We're gonna both roll out hopefully around 5 o'clock. Gates open at 5. Track is hot from 6 to 11, I think. So I'm about 45-50 minutes away from there. So I'm hoping to leave here about 5 and roll in there right around 6, maybe a little before 6. So I want to get everything ready, just so that way I don't have to get ready tomorrow when I get off work. Hopefully I can get off work before 5. It'd be my luck. I won't be able to. Last Thursday, of course, I was trying to hustle because I wanted to finish up doing the front end of the car and make it to test and tune, but of course I got a flat tire in the work truck that killed like an hour. So by the time I came home, and I was up to 4 o'clock in the morning the night before trying to get ready, I only got 3 hours of sleep. I was beat. I wasn't going to go drive all the way up there and drive back late at night and risk the chance of, you know, wrecking or something like that. So I'm going to get everything ready, and then I got a couple things to do to the car, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, got all the tools situated for the track tomorrow. Got the car back on the ground and everything. So there's a couple things I want to do. Got a new steering wheel cover and some new seat covers because these seats are wrecked, and actually it's not the most comfortable having it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new seat covers on. This steering wheel cover is shot, and it's bad. Like, it just spins, and when I'm driving and I try to palm it, because I do that often, I can't, because if I do, I'll just hold that and spin and the tire will go straight. So I'm gonna put them on. I got this sticker that I'm gonna put on, and then what's in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and open that box now, and so I can get that out and let it sit out for a minute. Alright, just open up this box. Got it. This is from Vinyl Sickness. They do stickers, accessories, and apparel. You can go to vinylsickness.com and check them out. And then for ordering, I get a 10% off next time I purchase something. Here we go. There you go, Automotive Junkie with the YouTube logo. I think it came out pretty nice. This website has probably 5 or 8 or so different lengths and stuff that you can get these stickers. I was going to get it on Amazon, but for a few dollars more, I went from a 15-inch, which is what I was going to get on Amazon, to this, which is a 23-inch. And I think this came out really good. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it back here, probably right up there, just so everybody can see it. I'm going to measure it out and get it lined up the best I can. But I think it looked pretty cool. I would do it down here, but when you're driving, I don't think it'll look good with the wing, and I'd rather have it up there. And then the other one, I'm gonna go ahead and put right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick the stickers on. Not that hard. I'm sure you don't care to watch. And I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Got one on. Got the I know license and registration. I think it looks pretty good right there. It's probably one of the best spots to put something like that. Now I go ahead and measure out and put that one on top. Came out pretty nice. You ready to see it? I don't know if you can handle it or not. Bam! Look at that. Not too bad. Came out pretty good, I think. I like it. I like it. She's coming along. Now time to do the seat covers and the steering wheel cover. Alright. Got both the seat covers and the steering wheel cover installed now. Looking good. Good to go, I think. The dickies. Nice. In case I spill something or the kids spill something. Easy to clean up. Somewhat matched. They're a little dark, but not too bad. Better than them big old gaping rips and tears and holes and crap. Not bad already. Got the tools sitting there already tomorrow. Got my stickers. Got my main stickers so people know where to follow me at. Of course. Gotta represent. Got some more coming too. I got mine from my Instagram coming. I'm gonna put probably on the front windshield. Also today when I was underneath the car, found out that it had Flowmaster 40 series mufflers on it. I would prefer Flowmaster, but for it coming on the car, I'm not gonna complain. That's for sure. Alright, well there you have it. A little update. Getting ready for the track tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get this video uploaded tonight. It's pretty late. It's probably about midnight. Got work in the morning. And then I'm gonna videotape as much as I can of the track tomorrow. Don't know how I'm gonna set up the GoPro yet. I don't know if I'm wearing my headband that I have that I can put it on, or just mount it to like the windshield or something like that. I'll figure it out. And then get some videos of me making some passes. I'm gonna try to line up and race my buddy with his S550, even though he's probably close to 2 seconds faster than me, but whatever, who cares, for shits and giggles, just going to have fun. I know this car is not fast, so I'm hoping for somewhere in the low to mid 14s. We'll see. Got my tuner coming back. I had to send it out. Got it with the car, and it was messed up, so I had to send it to SCT, which luckily I'm in Florida. They're out of Florida, so that worked out. They should be shipping it back to me tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have it Friday, if not for sure Saturday. And I'm gonna try, if it's not raining, to go to the track on Sunday for Run Day Sunday. It's like a 50% chance of rain, so we'll see how it plays out. If it looks like it's gonna be more in the later afternoon, then I'll go. I think the track will be hot from like 11 to 5. So if it's gonna rain at 4 or 5 o'clock, that's fine. I'll go probably. But if it's supposed to rain any earlier than that, then I probably won't waste the time and the gas and the money going up there. And I'll just try to go next Thursday to test and tune to see what the tune will do difference compared to right now. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Till next time. Peace.